Hi and good morning everyone. Today we gonna study about nature of product design process. Before we immerse deeper into my presentation, I would like to state what we are going to learn by the end of this topic. By the end of this topic, students can define what is nature of process. Next, students are able to explain the concept of nature of the product design process. What is nature of process? As we know, process of designing a product is to deal with specific, intentional purposes to fulfill the goals of the product invention. For example, if you are designing an insurance plan, the plan must be attractive to the future customer, and also able to give profits to the company. Dealing with all of these are tough and complex because there are too many aspects we need to look for, and our product must meet with all the aspects. When we are talking about nature of designing process, we are talking about the real deal of designing a product in the real world. For example, there is considerable overlap and interaction between the stages. For some particular reasons, we might skip some process of designing, or doing multiple processes at a time. I give you one example. An insurance product was targeted to low-income people in a country, but when the companies realized that to raise the awareness of that particular group of people, it required aggressive marketing, a costly one. So the designers need to redesign the product to cover the cost of marketing, or ask for bigger capital to jumpstart the sales of the product. Several repetitions of the design control cycle may be required too. One of the key aspects for this is examining the underlying cause and effect relationships among the variable associated with the product. When we design a product, we are working with a lot of data. This data might changes time to time due for many external factors. As designers, we shall take this into account, and repetition in some area of design control cycle may be required. For example, we discover that the spending habits of people are changing during the economic recession. To deal with this, we shall iterate some of the design process that we did, like pricing or marketing, to meet with the new norms. The next key point for the iterations of design cycle is choosing assumptions for modeling the product's future experience. Lastly, use the resulting model to understand profitability from both cost and volume changes. For better understanding of this, designer will try to design their product as perfect as they can. Means that the product can do well even something bad happens in the future. For example, if the death rate of the country are increasing drastically, will our insurance plan able to fulfill all of the claims? And will the company gains profit from the product at that time? These are my presentation on nature of designing process. I hope this video improve your understanding of how the designing process works. Thank you for watching the video.